Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is about my first few Hot Wheels I bought from retail store almost after 21 years. Yes, you heard right, after 21 years. So yes, I was very much excited as I was starting my YouTube channel and building all new collection from scratch, and much excited about new type of wheels which I'll be buying. So after a small search, I bought two from Dirt Pack, one from Race Day and one from Extreme Sports. So let's have a deep look into these wheels. Here we go.